What up, tube users?
Over here we have, this is called Shade Tree Mechanic gas tank flush new rubber line installation on a 1981 Chevrolet
Itasca.
Itasca. Yeah, I almost said Tioga because of
The old RV.
yeah, Itasca. It's a 33-gallon tank, center rear, factory General Motors. You can see this is just before fuel pump. You can tell they were getting ready, they were engineering, but this actually is not a fuel pump. This is literally a fuel pump from the block. Right down, right there. There's your gas gauge. Well, we're going to use this whole thing because all we need to do is suck gas out of it. And we've done flushed the tank with water. I've had better luck fixing things simply rather than overthinking it and overdoing it. You know that?
Yeah. I've seen it. All the shit we've done.
Where I've almost did it like in a hospital atmosphere with gloves. I mean, I was careful like dirt, and I've done shit in the fucking dirt, and I've had the shit in the dirt just last longer than fucking going overboard.
Oh, well, this is apparently lower than Shade Tree Mechanic.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's actually better though. I like that kind of better because shade trees too used. There's too many shade trees, so I'm actually a different level.
That's too
lower than shade trees. Awesome as fuck. It gets you down the road happily, and guess what? You did the shit yourself. Just get up. I don't even have a rag out here. Look at that. Oh shit, that's lower than shade tree. Even the shade tree motherfucker have a rag out here. I don't even have an air compressor. I just use my mouth to blow off the shit in chunks. But you know what's awesome about this? Is you practically do it for pennies on the dollar compared to paying a payment on a new one. If you're rich or whatever, you know, your daddy owns Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson, then fuck it, buy a new one, whatever.
Or you got a rich oil-filled daddy.
Oh yeah, or motherfucker going or Frito-Lay, who knows? You know what I mean? I am mad, you know, they made it for themselves. I'm more mad at the way they let the politicians, the way that they manipulate the laws though. And how they stomp the little man out from being able to be creative and inventive now. Unless you have one, because you know, when you're in survival mode, you can't be creative. You have moments of creativity, you know what I mean? Gas tank, gas tank. The lower than the fucking shade tree is awesome. There you go. This thing was a bitch before. I'll tell you what I do like though. I like that old school small block 400 Chevrolet.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah.
I do like the feel of that under my foot when I gas that motherfucker. Fuck it, you gotta pay extra for fuel for that fucker to drink, but you know what? Oh well. This is this ring where the ring gets stupid. See? Human-free solar air compressor. Me. Now we'll put this little fucker on right here. I put a new piece of hose on that. See, if you were looking at this fucker and you wanted to fuck with this, see, I'm not like an engineer. I think about if I need to just drop the tank a little bit and get to these, where would you put the clamp? Right there. That'll work. It's a fucking loose ass clamp though. That's that one. That was where it was leaking. It's sucking up through there and just there, or where this goes to the metal hose.
Yeah.
Alright, where'd I put my, there it is. Dirt. We don't do it NASCAR style in an operating room. Fucking engine building place. If it's winter and we have to, we'll rebuild the engine in the front room. I don't want to fucking tighten that too tight because they tighten. Now I need to measure this fucker. You see this piece right here that I'm cutting off?
Mm-hmm.
I got this length right on purpose. To make that exactly that length. Boom, done. Now this one's chunked, but I can start this. This size is just gonna have to work. Looks good. Before I put the tank underneath there, I gotta go to that other wire and do the same thing and get the connector ready. Yeah.
Show it.
Yep, right there. There was the massive leak that was pouring out when it was running.
Mm-hmm.
And then the oh my God, the gas is in here. Gotta get as much length off this as I can. See that?
Mm-hmm.
It's no big deal, it's just a return. This could fall off and you'd still go and wouldn't even know it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just don't think that's gonna make it. I'm like this much off, see?
Oh shit.
Big old tear. Little tear. That goes to there. See?
Mm-hmm.
Give me those crimpers.
There you go, rear gas tank reinstalled. Completely empty. Completely empty, completely clean, and completely all new lines.
Well, no more fuel leak and no more nasty gas. We replaced all the gas lines in the rear, the carb, and the front. Now we're gonna get some gas in this, some fresh gas since all the old gas is gone, and start her up. And she should sound much better.
Ain't smoking, is it? Barely?
Barely.
Well, for a minute.
Started with the first turn of the key. It sounds a lot better than it did with the old gas, and it's smoking a lot less. Definitely a lot better than the Tioga that we had, if anybody's watched those old videos. So it still needs some tranny work. The lights on the outside need to be replaced. Need air in the tires so we can test how it drives, and definitely eventually get new ones, which we know that's going to be a lot, and a tune-up. But that is some major progress and big change. Definitely makes us excited and more motivated to finish the rest of this, because we definitely got some plans for it. And see right there, the smoke has died down very much. But I thought I'd share that little progress project with y'all. I'll be back with the next one. Thank you for watching. Until next time, toodles.